On today's Specimen Spotlight, our featured animal is the pillbug, more commonly known as roly-poly and scientific name Armadillidium vulgare. If you spent time outside exploring, turning over logs, or lifting up leaf litter, then you've seen them before. They're typically nocturnal, but as you can see, I found some outside during the day. They were actively decomposing this fallen log, making quick work of it. Their preferred shelter is dark and damp locations such as under fallen logs, stones, or even under leaf litter on the forest floor. Pillbugs play a major role in the ecosystem. They are decomposers, which mean that they feast on fallen logs, leaf litter, or fruit from trees. This allows for those nutrients that may be harder and more locked away in the plants to be more accessible to other plants and animals in the ecosystem. This also helps for the forest to stay more clear so that you don't have to high step through feet and feet of fallen logs, because they often can take years to decompose if not acted upon by other organisms such as the pillbug. But let's go into the life cycle. The pillbug life cycle is about a 24-week process. The first 4 to 6 weeks take place attached to their mother in a pouch, first as eggs for 3 to 4 weeks, and then hatching and remaining in that pouch and feeding on the nutrient-rich fluid that the mom releases for another 1 to 2 weeks. Each egg clutch can contain 100 to 200 eggs. After leaving their mother's pouch, the young then start their 18-week transformative period, molting every week or two. They'll shed their smaller exoskeleton to accommodate for their growing size as they gain thoracic segments with 2 legs per segment, one for the left and one for the right. They also have compound eyes, which can be found on the sides of their head that give them a greater visibility range. That, along with a upper and lower set of antennae, give them the perfect tools to be able to take in all the stimulus of their environment, even in the dark. While pillbugs are great decomposers, they often pose a threat to farmers as they will eat the seedlings of plants right after they sprout. With farmers keeping their soil moist to hydrate the plants, it also doubles as the perfect environment for the pillbugs. This is often combated by keeping the ground clear of leaf litter and cover of dead plants, because this is what pillbugs love to eat, and they also often get mistaken and will eat plants, and it also removes their cover from predators such as birds or other insects. In conclusion, I think that pillbugs play arguably the most important role in nature, which is decomposing. They can take these macro pieces of plants and break them down to their smallest form to be easily absorbed back into the energy cycle by other organisms.